Hello social netizens, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Christine. I am glad you could make it here. I hope you are keeping safe. So I want to make Chinese rice, and someone made a joke that Chinese rice is glorified mchelenjeri. So let's see. Let me show you the ingredients. So right here I have where here I have 250 grams of meat, a half kg of rice, 250 grams of peas, one full maize comb, and right here I have 3 medium-sized carrots. I have 2 tomatoes, and 2 small onions. So I am going to mix everything in this sufuria, then add water and oil, cooking oil, and of course salt. This meat has been marinated with ground ginger and garlic, and I've sprinkled some salt. So let's mix everything in this sufuria. So I've mixed everything, and I think I had not mentioned this is green maize, and you're supposed to use pork, but I am using beef. You're supposed to cook the tomatoes when they are full, but I've cut them so that we don't leave big particles on the rice. So yeah, I'm just going to add some water, some salt, and some oil. So that's the mixture. I have added 3/4 liter of water. So let's place it on the gas and wait for about 30 minutes. So our rice is cooked. I just need to mix it and then we can serve it. You see how colored it is? That, ladies and gentlemen, is how to make Chinese rice, aka glorified mchelenjeri. I think I should take a bite. I am behaving like I'm not already tasted it to test for salt and whatever. Anyway, I hope you have enjoyed the vlog, or rather the cooking class, and you've learned something. Okay, you're also supposed to add some, not really supposed, but if you want to, you can add soy sauce for some color change. And yeah, so don't forget to subscribe, to share and comment, and tell a friend, and don't forget to keep safe and wash your hands and sanitize and maintain social distance. See you around. Bye.